Ooh, wait. God. Oh. Oh.
So, bro.
Lord, she fine.
So, bro, what you doing, good?
Ooh, I've just been looking at this model right here.
Or,
Ooh, right there.
ooh, her legs is doing the most. She is doing the most.
Nah, you ain't never lying.
She is doing the most. The most.
Yeah. Hey, boo, look. Look at that one. You see that ugly one? You know who she is?
She look good. Too,
Yeah, but she kind of something to start with an I. You know who she is?
Ratchet.
Ratchet? Yeah, that's right.
Boy,
That's right.
now, boy, today. How you spell Ratchet?
Name Ratchet is R-A-T.
Phil.
S-H-I-T. Oh, Lord, this spells Ratchet. Nah, man, I ain't even gonna say that, man. Look. We down here. Oh, look at that one. Ooh. I was so Beyonce. Ooh, Lord. Right. Whew. Whew.
She is doing the most.
You got it, girl. Hey, get back to the video, boy.
Oh, so y'all, I lost y'all for a little couple minutes, man.
Yeah. We gotta play a fly down here.
Now this what you call how you spell Ratchet. You heard me?
Spell it.
It's called H
Uh.
T
Uh.
H
Uh.
R.
Uh.
It's like spell Ratchet.
Uh.
Look us up on YouTube.
That's right. Oh, that's right, Holmes.